Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Family RV, and I have a question for you. If you guys out shopping, you're having a tough time finding a floor plan, are you really not sure what to get? I might have a solution for you. Follow me. Hey guys, my name is Jeremy over here at Family RV, and I want to welcome you to our segment called Find Your Floor Plan. Now, when you guys are out there shopping, there's a lot of different floor plans out there on the market, and it probably gets pretty confusing at times. Well, my job is to break it down for you and tell you that there's 5 to 7 major floor plans that everybody builds. It doesn't matter the manufacturer, it doesn't matter the dealership, but everybody builds these basic floor plans so you guys know, when you go to look at different dealers, you guys know exactly what floor plans you're looking at, and you might, kind of locate one, to find the one that best fits you and your family's needs when you guys are out there camping. First floor plan I want to talk about is the rear lounge. Now, the rear lounge is going to give you a big bay window in the back. You're either going to have 2 recliners, 2 swivel rockers, or even a couch. But the rear lounge setup is a good setup if you guys are going to, hang out inside the trailer and want a nice conversating area. A rear lounge will definitely provide that, and all the windows will give you a view of your campsite when you guys are out there, having a good time. Hey guys, Jeremy back with floor plan number 2. Floor plan number 2 is the rear kitchen. Now, the benefit of a rear kitchen, guys, is it gives you a lot of counter space, it gives you a lot of cupboards, a lot of storage, and most of all, will probably even give you a full-size pantry. Now, if you're the type who likes to cook for a large amount of people when you guys are out at the campground, a rear kitchen's a good setup because not only does it give you the kitchen in the back, but it gives you a place to hang out, watch some TV, and once again, rear kitchen gives you a lot of windows off on the sides. But most importantly, if you're that person who likes to cook, rear kitchen might just be the floor plan for you. Hey guys, alright, floor plan number 3 is a good one. It's called a bunkhouse. Now, every time you see a model number and have the letter BH, normally there's bunks inside the trailer. In this particular model, if you follow me, you're gonna see that you are gonna get a bunkhouse in the rear of the trailer. Now, the bunkhouse has a bunch of different variations as well. You can get a full room like this. You can either get 2 single bunks on top of each other or 2 double bunks on top of each other, and they come anywhere from, I would say, 19 feet all the way up to 35 feet depending on the size. But if you're the family that likes to sleep a lot of people inside your trailer, a bunkhouse might be the perfect floor plan for you. Alright guys, floor plan number 4 is called a rear bath. Now, a rear bath typically is going to be, once again, from 19 feet probably up to 26 feet. But the benefit of a rear bath, it's mostly based for 2 people. So if you're looking for a place to sleep, nice size kitchen, a slide out with the dinette, and a little bit bigger bathroom than most, then a rear bath floor plan, once again, might be beneficial for you. Now, here's the thing. Rear baths, like I said, they're smaller. They go probably up to about 26 feet, and you guys usually get a bigger bathroom. So if it's just you and the husband or you and the wife wanting to get out and it's just you two, you guys might want to consider looking at a rear bath. Hey guys, this is Jeremy back with floor plan number 5. Now, here's the thing. Anything after the first 4 floor plans that I showed you, the floor plans start getting kind of tricky, right? For instance, we're in a front lounge, right? One of the only front lounges out there on the market. Not every manufacturer builds it. However, there are a few that do. So right now I'm in a 2018 Flagstaff front lounge. The benefit of the front lounge is just like the rear lounge, but everything entertainment's up front. The benefit of the front lounge is what it does. It opens your bedroom up in the back. So now in this travel trailer, you're getting 3 slides with a lot of square footage for living and conversating, and a huge master bedroom for when you guys want to relax at night. So once again, if you guys are looking for a great conversating area, a lot of square footage inside the trailer, a front lounge might be a way that you guys want to go.